Now that we've connected our GPS to Diamond Maps and we have our map open, let's mark some points. I have my GPS and phone both mounted to a pole. You could also buy a handheld bracket that allows you to mount your GPS to your phone, or some people just carry the GPS in their hand and set it on the ground at each point they mark. Either way, just be sure to keep the two within Bluetooth range of each other at all times. As I walk down the street, I can see my location on the map, represented by this moving yellow dot here. Stand over a point you want to mark. Then, click on the Draw button. Choose the layer you want to add this point to, and click the yellow GPS Point button. From here, type in any information about this new point in the form that appears. Then when you're done, click this Add button. To mark another point, I just change to the appropriate layer and mark that point in the same way. If you're using the online version of Diamond Maps, then these points are automatically saved to the cloud as you mark them. But in the case of the offline app, which we are using here, you will need to synchronize your changes at the end of each day. To do that, click Menu, Offline Maps, and then click the Sync button next to your map name. Now you're all set and ready to keep collecting points for your map.